Hi there! So finally the bigger picture, Mi TV 4X Pro 55 inches. Well, it's a 4K Android TV and it's currently selling on Mi.com and Flipkart for 39,999. It's a budget version of the Mi TV 4 and the 4 Pro 55 inches. The primary difference between the two is the displays. The Mi TV 4 Pro 55 inch has an edge-lit thin display, while this is not as thin, but even this is a 4K HDR10 panel. So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing, we're going to check out the displays, and we're going to see how the 4K panel stands out. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. I'm installing this myself, but when you receive your unit, wait for the technician to come and install it for you so you don't void the warranty. The contents in the box are installation guide, remote, 2 plastic stands and screws to fix the stands. Alright, let's quickly fix the stands. Here are some specifications. 4K HDR IPS display panel, resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, Android TV Oreo 8.1, 20 watt stereo speakers and Bluetooth 4.2. Let's have a quick physical overview. The bezels are slim and flat. They have a grey color matte finish to it and they look quite classy. They're almost invisible when you're watching something on a TV this big. The stands are also matte grey and are made up of good quality plastic. Let's check out the ports. Some ports are on the right while some are behind. The ports available on the right are 3 HDMIs, 2 USB 2.0s and antenna. And on the back, Ethernet, SPDIF and AV composite input. No 3.5mm audio headphone jack, but Bluetooth 4.2 is available, so you can connect your Bluetooth earphones, headphones or to your Bluetooth home theater system wirelessly. The build profile of this device is absolutely identical to the Mi TV 49-inch Pro. The stand, the back design, the panel and the ports, everything is extremely identical. I plan to do a comparison video of the 49-inch Pro with the 55-inch 4X. That is something you shouldn't miss out. Subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already. You don't want to miss this one. Alright, now let's boot the device. So the setup is fairly simple. Pair the remote with the TV, enter your Google credentials and Wi-Fi password, and in a few minutes you're ready to go. And so we finally boot into the Android TV OS. We have patch wall, gallery, media player, TV manager, YouTube, play movies. Wow, and you have the whole OS ready. Play movies, patch wall, YouTube, play movies. Amazing. It's extremely responsive, as you can see, very responsive. On the top you have the Google Voice Assistant. Here are the inputs, channel HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3 and AV1. Further here you have settings, that is for the Wi-Fi, inputs, Google Cast is Chromecast, sound, pictures, apps, screensaver, storage and reset, about. Alright, we're running Android 8.1 Oreo. There you go, Android Oreo. Let's have a quick look at the patch wall as well. Patch wall has tons of content to stream from apps like Sony Live, Hungama, Voot, Z5, Eros Now and many more. It's extremely smooth and super easy to navigate. All these apps that I just mentioned, you won't find them in the app launcher in the Android TV because all these apps have their content like movies and TV shows and songs all directly available on the Patchwall OS. So if you're looking for a direct icon to access these apps, you won't find them. But content from all these apps will be easily available on the Patchwall OS directly. So finally, let's talk about the big thing, the display. 4K 55-inch. Wow! Big, sharp and vibrant. Colors truly pop and the crispness of the videos absolutely shines. Videos run smoothly thanks to the new imaging engine. The color reproduction is brilliant, not oversaturated but brilliantly balanced. The display is top notch. So here comes the disappointing part. This is a Google certified 4K Android Smart TV and now it has access to Google Play Store. But unfortunately, no Netflix and no Amazon Prime native support. So that's really disappointing, having a 4K TV but no access to these 4K apps. Let's play some 4K videos on YouTube and see if they play. Let's change the settings to 4K. And there you go. 4K videos work absolutely fine on YouTube. No lag, no stutter and no drop frames. The 4X Pro also has Google Voice Search available on its remote. Let's have a quick look. What's the weather in Mumbai?
Right now in Mumbai it's 32 degrees Celsius with smoke. Today, it'll...
Show me best of comedy movies. Show me best of romantic movies. The 4X Pro also has Google Chromecast support. So now you can mirror any Android device using the Google Home app on your phone directly to your Mi TV. You can also cast your movies, songs, or even images from your Android Smart TV using Local Cast app with the help of Chromecast. Definitely worth it. Chromecast is such an important feature. So in my initial impressions, 4K panel, HDR10, Android TV, Chromecast support, great sound, 55-inch 4K TV for 40,000. Great buy. I'll be doing an in-depth full review of this device very soon. So if there are any questions you have about the 55-inch 4X Pro, do mention them down in the comments. I'll be answering them in my full review video. Also, I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. It helps me improve. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.